Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. As you have seen from last 2 days, we haven't seen any big moves because we were waiting for today NFP news. So we had an amazing trade today, and let me share with you guys how I analyze market today and help my trader to squeeze amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move to three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD, we had such a nice big move. As you can see here in 4 hour, we were waiting for this breakout at this level, and this is the support level. As you can see here from last 2 weeks, we haven't seen any consolidations, but we were expecting a nice big move. So we had this breakout this afternoon, and we had a beautiful pips. We just closed few position as soon as the price hit to the resistance level. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market. As you can see from yesterday, we haven't seen any big moves, so that's what I explained to my trader when to trade and when not to trade. And if you look at this is the analysis, we had it a very small long trade in the London morning session. That was the breakout, nicely hit to the first target, and that's what I explained to my trader. Let's wait for the NFP news. After the NFP news, we have seen the mix report. But as you can see, a symmetric triangle pattern, as what I explained to my trader, price looks like is respecting 200 EMA. And then we had a beautiful breakout. After the breakout, pull back long, and if you look at the momentum was bullish, and that's what we had a beautiful trade on, a long trade at the New York session after the NFP news. Such an amazing trade. All right, so let's move into the pound dollar. If you look at the cable, we had such a nice big move, and our target just right now hit, and that's just I mentioned to my trader. Now guys, I think we should close our date. As you can see here, just close the position. Let me share with you the 4 hour. If you look at here, yesterday we haven't seen any big moves. We were expecting this breakout or this breakout, because I explained to my trader, if the price gonna break this level, then we will consider this one as a head and shoulder pattern. Otherwise, let's wait for the news. If the price gonna break this previous high, then we're gonna be taking a long trade here, and the target would be the previous high. And let me share with you the analysis. As you can see here, today this is the breakout we were expecting to break out, and we were waiting for the NFP news, because as you can see, we haven't seen any big move. After the news release, we have seen the weaknesses on the dollar. And that's what I explained to my trader. It's time. Price nicely is about to break this previous high in 4 hour, and we had such amazing trade, breakout and pull back. And that's what I explained to my trader. Just keep taking a pullback as long as the momentum is bullish. So we had an amazing trade on pound dollar. We had also amazing trade on the dollar CAD. If you look at the dollar CAD, we had an amazing trade. If you look at, that's what most of the trader was confused. We were waiting for this breakout. And if you look at the this previous candle, that's give us the bearish rejection, and explain to my trader, we're only going to take a long trade if the price is going to break this previous high. Then we're going to take a long trade here. Otherwise, we're going to follow the market. So after the news, we had such a nice beautiful short trade here. Let me share with you the intraday analysis for the dollar CAD. We had amazing trade. Most of the traders banked 100+ pips. All right, let me share with you. As you can see here, this is the analysis. I did this London morning session, explained to my trader, this is the previous high, this is the low. So we're looking at this breakout. As you can see here in my analysis, we had this breakout, beautiful. As soon as the first target hit, explained to my trader, just bank some profit and let's wait for the NFP news. So we had such a beautiful, afterwards price reverse. As you can see here in the 4 hour candle, you can see here price nicely reversed, and explain to my trader, now we have the situation, because technically we should be waiting for pullback at this level. That's what I explained to my trader in live analysis. So now the price did not respect this level. So price, let's see if the price is going to break this previous high, then we're going to take a long trade here. And if the price going to break this level, then we're going to take a short trade here. We have this candle, so we were expecting a breakout long, because we have this false breakout. But as I said to my trader, we're going to trade what we see it, not what we think. So you can see here price develop, triple top here, and price nicely broken here, and we have taken first profit. And afterwards, as you can see here, the previous low is broken, and after that another pullback, and look at the momentum was bullish. And even in 4 hour we had such a nice beautiful breakout. The target is the previous low, which is most of the traders are still holding short on, but I managed to bring beautiful pips on dollar CAD, as you can see. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As I said to you, we had amazing trade. As you can see here, we had a beautiful trade on Aussie dollar. That was a pretty straightforward breakout after the breakout pullback. All right, as you can see here, most of the traders bank 100 plus pips. As you can see here, one of my traders banked 97 pips. I'm just going to show you a few trades. As you can see here, dollar CAD 50 pips, Euro USD long 32 pips, 20 pips, because he was waiting for that MNFP news. And after that, you can see it's such a nice, beautiful trade, guys. If I look at the dollar CAD, you can see because system capture the screenshot when he enter and when he exit. You can see here this was a pretty straightforward breakout, and as soon as the price hit profit target, explained to my trader bank some profit. Euro USD long, as you can see here, this was a pretty straightforward breakout, nicely profit target hit. And we have pound dollar, that's one, another one pullback long trade here. As you can see here, price nicely hit, bank beautiful pips. As you can see, most of the traders bank 100 plus pips today. And that was basically, requires a hell of patience, because yesterday was market quiet. London morning session, market was quiet, but New York session, after the NFP news, we made amazing profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. And even if you are struggling with Forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time with the live market, with the live intraday analysis, including live audio commentary. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train with the live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my team member will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. Or even if you are an experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend, guys. All the best. Until next time, wish you all the best.